Good morning, the Honorable Mr. Erwin as the Principal of Gita Bangsa Junior High School, who I respect, Miss Indah as the ninth grade homeroom teacher, who I respect, all Gita Bangsa Junior High School teachers, and all Gita Bangsa Junior High School residents. Let us give thanks to God Almighty because thanks to His power and love, we can be given the breath of life and keep us from all harm. Ladies and gentlemen, before I begin, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Yukio Gilbert Lai from grade 9 Junior High School of Gita Bangsa. On this occasion, I will deliver a speech entitled Obesity Changes Everything. Obesity is one of the biggest problems in the world, especially among children. This problem is getting bigger with the development of the technological era in the pandemic that provides a variety of applications for variety food needs. Obesity or fat accumulation in the body will certainly bring many bad effects for human body system. This accumulation of fat will disrupt the human body system. Generally, obesity will directly have an impact on the circulatory system. Due to the accumulation of excess fat in the body, it clogs blood vessels so that it inhibits blood circulation. As a result, the volume received by each organ of the body will be depleted. The blood itself is pumped by the heart and then flows to the lungs through the trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles to carry oxygen around the body through the pulmonary arteries and veins. However, the thinning blood volume results in a reduced supply of circulating oxygen, so that the organs in the body will experience a lack of oxygen, so they cannot work properly. The thinning blood volume also results in reduced nutrients consumed from food to be circulated to all parts of the body, because blood is tasked with being a transportation of body nutrients. Accumulation of fat will also disrupt the airways in the lungs, thereby disrupting the respiratory system. Depleted and obstructed blood can also interfere with the reproductive system, one of which is the male reproductive system. Arteries and veins that supply blood to the penis will be blocked when there is fat accumulation. This makes no blood flow to the penis, causing erectile dysfunction. Fat will also cause a decrease in bone density and impaired joint movement. This is because the fat that is stored in the body makes the joints work harder to move the body. Obstructed blood flow because fat also reduces the nutrients and oxygen needed by the bones. Reduces nutrients and oxygen can trigger a decrease in bone density so that it interferes with the human movement system. Accumulation of fat in the body also causes an increase in intravesical and intra-abdominal pressure. This increase in pressure can compress the kidneys and renal veins, causing a decrease in urine excretory. Consuming foods and the accumulation of fat containing sugar and salt in excess also makes the kidneys work more to get rid sugar and sodium content in the blood. So, excretion will occur more often and can cause urinary tract infections. Obesity can also affect mental health. Often, children who are obese will be the subject of bullying or even the person who bully. In 2015, a study in Italy concluded that 44.4% of obese children were bullied from 947 primary schools. Of course, bullying obese children is not in accordance with the social order of society, which teaches us to behave according to the stated norms. So, it needs to be avoided. The many impacts of obesity certainly need to be avoided. Obesity can be avoided by maintaining the health of our organs properly. There are several steps that can be taken to maintain the health of the body's organs in order to prevent obesity, including 1. Maintain a regular diet to maintain a healthy digestive system and form a community environment that supports a healthy life. 2. Exercise with society regularly, such as cardio, to maintain circulatory and respiratory system, and increase public awareness of obesity. 3. Sorting out healthy foods, such as vegetables and fruits, both to maintain the health of the respiratory system, as well as the reproductive system by nutrients from the foods. Obesity does bring many bad effects to almost all systems of the human body. But we should not use it as a joke. It is better for us to build a supportive environment in accordance with the stated norms. We as humans, of course, also need to live healthy as an investment in the future. Healthy living is indeed difficult for some people. But start with small steps first. In fact, we are only difficult to start, not to proceed. Obesity affects every aspect of a people's lives, from health to relationships. Jane Velez Mitchell, an American journalist. Let's live healthy and raise awareness about the impact of obesity for future life investment. Maybe that's all I can say about the effects of obesity. I hope this speech can provide the audience with benefits and blessings. I apologize if there are grammatical errors that may offend the audience. I am a human created by God who does not escape from mistakes. Once again, I apologize profusely to all of you who are present. That's all and thank you.